The DJI NEO 2 has just been officially revealed, but for now it's been released only in Asia, as DJI is following a new strategy focused on prioritizing countries in that region. So, we'll have to wait a few more days for the global launch. Right from the first few seconds of the video, it's clear that this drone is not just an upgrade, it's a revolution in fun, practicality, and technology. With a modern aerodynamic design packed with new features, the NEO 2 brings a younger, more creative vibe, aimed at those who want to capture amazing moments effortlessly, without needing to be an experienced pilot. The scenes highlight the lightweight and portable design of the NEO 2, which fits easily into any backpack and is always ready to take off. But what really stands out is the perfect balance between simplicity and performance. The new camera delivers vibrant colors and excellent detail, while the two-axis stabilization system ensures smooth footage, even during fast movements. Another point DJI made sure to emphasize is interactivity. The NEO 2 responds to voice commands, hand gestures, and even features automatic flight modes that make any recording look like a professional production. But for those who crave more action, the NEO 2 is also compatible with DJI's latest controllers. To use them, you need to attach the transceiver module to the drone, providing greater range and signal stability. And if you prefer a more immersive experience, it's also compatible with DJI's FPV equipment, perfect for pilots who want the feeling of being inside the drone. Every detail in this video was designed to show that the NEO 2 is not just a toy, it's a creative tool, built to explore the world in a light, agile, and intelligent way. Now, let's watch the video one more time. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.